This video walks you through how to switch between businesses in Wave. If you are already signed into Wave, begin from any page in your account and look to the upper right corner of the screen. You will see the name of the business you are currently working in. That name is also the control you will use to move between businesses linked to the same Wave account. Click your current business name in the upper right corner. This opens the account menu, where you can access options related to the business that is active right now. In that menu, select Switch Businesses. This opens a separate menu labeled Switch Business To, and it will display the businesses associated with your Wave account. Take a moment to look through the list and make sure you choose the right one before you continue. Each name in this menu represents a different business connected to your account, so the one you click will become the active workspace. Click the business name you want to switch to. After you select it, Wave will begin loading that business. You may see a short delay while the page updates. During this part, just wait for the selected business to finish loading before taking any other action. Once the new business opens, check the upper right corner again. The business name shown there should now match the one you selected from the list. This is the quickest way to confirm that you are now working in the correct business and not still viewing the previous one. If the name in the upper right corner matches your selection, the switch is complete. From this point on, any work you do will be inside that business until you switch again. It is worth checking that corner each time you move between businesses, especially if your account includes several with similar names. When you need to switch again later, repeat the same path. Click the current business name in the upper right corner, choose Switch Businesses from the account menu, and then select another business from the list that appears. Wave will load the newly selected business, and you can confirm the change by checking the business name shown in the same upper right area. This process stays the same each time, so you can move back and forth between businesses from the same menu whenever needed. The important detail is to confirm the active business after each switch, since that tells you exactly where you are working before you continue with anything else in your account. Thanks for watching. You have now switched to the selected business in Wave and confirmed that it is active.